just for a little bit. So I bought this car for $2,700. Is it falling apart? Yes. Does it have 300,000 miles on it? Yes. Do the front brakes need replaced? Yes. Is it burning oil? Yeah, it's definitely leaking oil. What else do I want to say? Shift boot is torn apart. I need a new one. Suspension is worn. It needs new suspension. The body has dents kind of littered all over it. There's issues with the paint, chipping, and also the clear coat. What else? It's dirty. I've been taking it on some dirt roads as well. Dang, this road is kind of bouncy. Yeah, the brakes really need some work. Traffic, that's all right. What else? Oh yeah, I drive it kind of like an idiot as well. I've been abusing it. So it's got some things. And the issue is I have a limited amount of funds to put into it. I mean, I bought it for $2,700, right? So clearly, I wasn't looking for something that was gonna be a beauty queen. Little cows, little calves. Alright, I'll chill out for just a little bit. Yeah, it's got some things. Do I love it? Yes, I do. It's amazing. I mean, for heaven's sakes, I'm stuck behind slower traffic. We're doing the speed limit. And the thing is still so much fun. It's bouncing all over the place on its suspension. It leans in these corners. It's not the most insane sounding vehicle either, but I mean it's fun. You rev it out and it just kind of, you know. But also it's warm. We're gonna drop the top. Okay. Fun yellow Fiat. I mean, it's most definitely burning the oil that it's leaking. Oh my gosh. It is just so nice out. That's what driving this is like. It's a breath of fresh air. A little heel toe downshift. Back on the throttle. I mean, we're driving at 4/10 right now. It's so fun. So much fun. Through some of these corners. So I mean, yeah, there are downsides to soft suspension, but I took it was a BMW Z3M coupe on coilovers through this same road, and it felt quite harsh. Was it way more dialed in? Yeah, of course. Car is, oh, a nice little STI right there. Oh, this road's fun. I mean, that car is just so much more capable than this. On a slow, winding road like this, though, I don't really mind that much. I don't mind the soft suspension. I'd prefer that car on the track, hands down. Without a doubt. But on this little road that's following this river, I like this light, soft, suave ride. And I'm not even having to downshift because, you know, we're stuck with traffic. That's all right. I don't mind. I'm just enjoying my evening. I will say, this road is a lot smoother than the one I came from, and it feels, the need for maintenance feels a lot less cruising on this road. I swear, on these bouncy, rough roads, it just feels like the car is falling apart. And I mean, it kind of is. It kind of is, don't get me wrong. Try to spin around. See if we can enjoy the road a little bit without traffic. Brakes. Could probably use some stickier tires as well, a little heel toe. But then you kind of remove some of the playfulness. It gets a little bit more serious with stickier tires. I mean, I don't know how old the tires on this are. They're probably pretty old. They look fine, but there, but that was fun. That's a monstrosity, whatever that is. My goodness, that's a monstrosity. Getting a little more traffic coming this way. Man, that fresh air is just so therapeutic. It's so nice. Dancing around these corners. Sorry for the dirty windshield. Catching up to some traffic, that's all right. I was in fourth. I thought I was in third that whole time. Went to shift to fourth and I was already there. I mean, I'm behind a 4Runner for heaven's sake. And this is just so much fun. Oh my gosh. So much fun. Unbelievable. If you're looking for driving enjoyment, get a freaking Miata, man. It's been said a million times. There are different veins of driving enjoyment, obviously. I get that. I totally get that. But if it's back road stuff, like this, bang for buck, get a Miata. So much fun. Honestly, this 4Runner's pushing himself around some of these corners. Yeah, this needs new brakes. It needs new brakes pretty bad. Front rotors and pads. If you're an enthusiast and you haven't had the chance to drive a Miata yet, make it happen, man. Whatever you gotta do, drive a Miata. It is so much fun. So much fun. Even if it's falling apart. Oh, hello. Anyway, peace out, guys. Love y'all. That's it for today. See you next time.